I'm going to talk to you about a project which is not a physical robot, and it's not about engineering. It's about, well, it is about engineering, but it's about software engineering, and it's actually about a digital robot. The RITA project came out of Innovate UK's long-term care revolution. This is a project that started about 3 years ago now. And a group of us were brought from around the UK into a very intensive several days, immersing ourselves in some of the challenges in elderly care. And in particular, the challenge around, many of you will be familiar with, the challenge around people who are kind of on the edge of institutional care, but not quite ready to go into institutional care yet. So perhaps their health is deteriorating, they're in early stage dementia, perhaps they've lost a partner, and so they're on their own and don't have the sort of care and support that they have. And you may well know that this leads to a very rapid deterioration, and often they get institutionalised very quickly, and it's potentially avoidable. So we were challenged to come up with very futuristic technological solutions to this problem.